Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you a new app that you can use to get free 2000 naira. Actually, these days a lot of stuff is actually going on. I don't know. This 2k can actually go a long way, now, or doing 2k. So without no further ado, let's get started. So now you are already on Play Store, as you can see. So just search for this yellow app. Then, as you can see, I've already downloaded it. Then open. Okay, get started. Okay, then you are going to use this referral code here. You have to use it because if you don't, you want to be given the money. So just make sure you use the referral code, then click on continue. Okay, a verification code will be sent to your number, so just then the verification code has already entered, so just punch it in. Then click on verify. Then you enter your email address here, your real email address, because you might want to verify it soon. Then next. So once the registration is done, so okay, let's enter the password. So once the verification is done, so now to get the 2k, the 2000 naira, you have to verify your identity. You have to verify your identity. So you wait for the code to enter. So the verification code has entered. Then you verify. That's already been entered. Now we have completed the registration successful. And as you can see, here is the 2000 naira. As you can see, I started the registration from A to Z, and this is the 2000 naira. Okay, now let's try to withdraw the money. Let's try to withdraw, because you can actually withdraw the money with either in crypto. You can actually withdraw it with either cryptocurrency, either Bitcoin, USDT, or you withdraw it to your direct Nigeria bank account. So your direct Nigeria bank account. So let's get started to that. So as you can see, I've completed the registration, and so here I'm going to try to add a bank account here. Bank account, add your bank account, select the bank you are using. So then okay, confirm. Okay, now you're back, going back to the wallet, then you click on withdraw. If you want to withdraw the money immediately, you click on withdraw, then withdraw. So you're almost ready to start trading. Please complete your account setup. Tier 1 500 okay to share your copyright government issued ID. Use your print to create. Okay, now we are going to what? Okay, now we are going to verify your account here, either by using your ID card. It might be NIN, Visa, passport, or any government issue ID card, driver license, that's authorizable. Okay, so let's try and get that part done too. So you are going to choose your country, Nigeria, and then let me use, I think everybody has BVN. Okay, the thing is, if you actually have your account, like bank account, definitely you are going to have a BVN number. So, and seeing this, seems you can use both. So I will use my BVN to verify it here. Let me use BVN. So I punch in the BVN number. So after punching my BVN number, then you click on next. It's actually bring this yellow card wants to access your BVN data, this will reach and everything. So definitely you have to allow. You click on the allow here. And you are going to take a selfie here. Let's try and get that done. Okay, and as you can see, thanks, we are viewing your details. So all you have to do is to click on done and back. So definitely if you do everything right, you are going to get the money deposited into your account after you have government ID, as in the BVN information, have been verified, fully verified at their platform. As you can see, let me check under the profile here, identity verification. Let me see it. The email, as you can see, the email has been verified. I've verified the email. So I think, okay, this is what I'm trying to verify, the personal information, and this is where it's going to, after this has been verified, I think you are going to create a personal pin here, and after creating the pin, definitely you'll be able to withdraw the money. But every steps will be recorded here in this video, so make sure that you watch it to the end. Now, so for you to be able to withdraw, so you are going to make a trade of at least $1. Probably you can credit your account to make the trade, or you can also use part of the money from the 2000 naira to make a trade. Either you buy USDT, then you sell it, then after that it has been remitted to your account, then you'll be able to withdraw the money. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this very useful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. Let me know the issue you are facing in the comment box below. See you guys next time. Peace.